Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and Firefox has moved on today, September 16th, to a new version. So now we have Firefox 143 that is available, and if you go to the hamburger menu on the upper right, Help, and About Firefox, you will be moved to 143.0. So this one contains a few features that could be of interest. One of them is now that progressive web apps are accepted within Firefox, which means also that you'll be able to pin these web apps to your taskbar in Windows. So this is going to be a new feature from Firefox that will be of interest. There's also in here a update for the DNS over HTTPS, which means now all requests will be secure if the website gives the secure connection, which is most websites basically. But still, this will be something that they will actually do. Now, notice about something here. This is Firefox. Look at that. There's an icon that looks like Copilot. Well, yes, Copilot, Microsoft's Copilot is now part of Firefox if you wish. But you can change that. There's also different options here. Anthropic, ChatGPT, Google Gemini, and so on. So Copilot is just like a new add-on if you want for this feature for this browser. Also, if you use the private mode, the in private mode to surf the web, maybe you'll download a file. Well, when you actually move out of that private mode, it's going to ask you, do you want to keep the files that you downloaded? So a pop-up will show up, and there you can say yes, and if you say no, they will be erased. So this is an interesting feature, I think, for some users, that sometimes you might download something within that private mode and want to keep it. The camera will now also show you a preview. So maybe you have a camera, maybe you have more than one and you want to switch between cameras. Well, there always will be a preview. You'll see what it looks like before you actually say, oh, okay. I'll accept that. Sometimes the camera is moved or you don't want to show something, so it gives you time to replace everything before you say, okay, give access to the camera. And the address bar here at the top will have important dates. So, for example, Mother's Day or whatever important holiday that's going to happen will show up within this address bar here at the top of the browser. Apart from that, there are, of course, a lot of security fixes, more than a dozen security fixes. Several of them are high severity. So even if you don't really care about new features, you might care about security, which is important. So to stay safe, go and update to make sure that you have all the security updates. Like I said, there's more than a dozen fixes in here, and I saw several that are high severity, so stay safe by updating your Firefox to version 143, now available. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.